talk about anti-aging, we're going to talk about anti-aging, wrinkling, and laxity. Number one, why do you have wrinkling and laxity? How do you promote anti-aging? So the first thing you want to do is slow down the ticking of the clock. You are what you eat, exercise, everything in moderation. You have to give the body the raw materials it needs to function the most youthfully. That's the supplementation. And then skin products that, because of maximal therapy, force the skin to work more youthfully. We've given you on the website all the solutions, the same solutions that we have found work best and fastest in my office.